example analyst A get 3,200 pips, then the calculation is 2,000 pips equals 100 trading family points. 1,200 pips equals 102,000 multiple 0.1 equals 120 trading family points. Total 220 trading family point. And then trading family medals. First analytic who successfully made the monthly qualification point 1, point 2, and 3 in the month will get 1 medal. 2. Trading family medal calculation is done at the end of the month. Third, medal can be reduced if the total profit calculation show a 0 or minus number. 0 to 1000 pips equals min 1 medal. Minus 2001 to 5000 pips equals min 2 medal. Minus 5001 pips or more, it's minus 3 medals. For if there is a reduction in medal, the become mark for the monthly qualification. Qualifying 3 point refers to the last qualifying profit amount. Example, month 1 equals 5000 pips, it's mean plus 1 medal. Month 2 minus 1000 pips, it's mean minus min 1 medal. Month 3 equals 3500 pips plus 1 medal. Then the backmark in month 4 is 3500 pips, 70%, 450 pips monthly qualifying 3 point. In month 4 refers to pips gain in month 3, no longer refers to month 1. Number 5, if it does not reach the target in the previous month, our reference will be determined according to the last result that meets the requirements. Example A, month 1 like this. Month 1 10,000 pips, then the backmark in month 2 is at least 70%, multiple 1 10,000 pips, it means 700 pips. Month 2 4,000 pips, because it is still below 7,000 pips, the analyst will get trading family points in the month but do not get medal, and the level does not change, and the medal target in month 3 is no longer 7,000 pips but changed to 7%. 4,000 equals to 800 pips. Month 3 3,000 pips, because it's above to 800 pips, limit the analytics to a month medal. And then the last channel violation policy. The trader family channel violation policy implemented a new policy to improve the performance of users of the traders family application. The new policies are: first, traders family has the right to investigate channels that are considered detrimental to trader family and or application user as analytic or subscriber. Second, investigation will be carried out based on user reports or monitoring results from the traders family teams. Third, trader family has the right to impose sanctions on channels that are proven to have committed violation, including disabling channel and deleting trading family points. Make sure that you comply with the traders family policy. Okay guys, I think that's all about the copy signal trading family reward system. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. We are from OMTRADE channel. Bye bye.